101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Eddie, as the host tonight. So, good evening, smart listeners out there, wherever you are. How are you guys? Hopefully you have a wonderful night, and to especially to those Muslims who just have broken their fast about like a minute ago, 15 minutes ago. Happy fasting. And so I'm not alone here. So I'm not alone here, and I'm with BPC Makassar. As we all know, every Tuesday night, Smart FM Makassar collaborates with BPC Makassar, and we have an interesting topic to discuss about. Have you guys known about it? Have you guys?
Yeah.
The smart listeners out there about BPC, what BPC is? Anyone? All right, time is yours.
Okay, so thank you. So BPC is one of the oldest one English community in South Sulawesi. That which is BPC is Benteng Panjua Rotterdam. Benteng Panjua English Club.
So it stands for that.
Yeah, and BPC is always holding some kind of meeting, seems like discussion and debating at Benteng Rotterdam.
Wow.
Actually, on Sunday at 10 p.m.
What is it called?
It's called Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Lovely Sunday Meeting.
Yeah.
Wow.
And as we know, the next month, on 7 April, BPC will be holding an anniversary for the 36th year.
Give applause to that. I mean, wow, that's amazing. We would like to see it.
Yes.
So anything else you want to talk about BPC?
I think that's enough.
All right. So you guys, BPC Makassar here. There are 4 of them, and I'm so glad to be here with them. And so we are so excited because tonight is special. We are going to speak English. We're going to practice speaking English, and we're going to show you exactly how interesting and how fun it is to be here. And so let's back to the topic. So what the topic of tonight is, you guys? Jana, do you know the topic tonight?
Oh yeah, I know. For the topic, I guess, is fasting around the world. So
Fasting in around the world. Wow, interesting. I'd like to know exactly how we are going to talk about it. Okay, guys. First of all, let's introduce ourselves to the smart listeners, and maybe we can start from you, sister. Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay. Thanks for the opportunity. My name is Herlina Nur. You can call me Lina, and I'm a BPEC committee.
Okay. So your name is Lina.
Yes.
All right. Hi, Lina.
Hi.
Good evening. Okay. So next.
Okay, my name is Nurjana. Hey, smart listener at home. So my name is Nurjana, and I'm a student, college student. I studying at University of Islamic State Alauddin Makassar. So I'm in the 4th semester with Herlina. So yeah, I'm also one of the committee in BBC Makassar. Thank you.
Okay, so your name is Jannah. All right, hi Jannah. And so we're back to the male here.
Okay. Hello, smart listeners. I'm Ahmad Fauzan. I'm actually study at Hasanuddin University, and I'm 20 years old right now. And yeah, I live on Telp Baru. Just that.
Okay.
That's enough.
So your name is Fauzan?
Yes.
All right. So the last speaker we have here. Yes.
Good evening, small listener, and happy fasting for all you all from the Muslim. And I am is Rifki. You can call me Rifki. I am the last semester from University Islam Makassar. And now I'm here.
Anything else? Alright, you guys, thank you for introducing yourselves. And now this is the time for us to discuss the topic. Okay, so I have a couple of questions. I hope you guys ready to answer all of them. And so the first thing that I want to talk about is Wait, I wanna choose one speaker to talk about this first. Lina, maybe you can start. We can start with you. What do you think about this topic, fasting in around the world?
Yes, I think this topic is very interesting because now is the month of the Ramadan. We have to fasting as because we are Muslim. So, as we may know, all the Muslim in the world must celebrating, must fasting, and this topic is very interesting because all the Muslim in the world must celebrating it. So this is so interesting topic. We can discuss it here.
All right. Well, we move to Kak Rifki maybe. What do you think about this topic, Kak?
This topic is related for our month is waiting for the Muslim, and you know what? Not all the people Muslim following by the fasting, but from a non-Muslim, we talk about some Christianity and Hindu will be following us to want to know how to feel what is fasting. You can defend yourself from the emotional, for you angry, and the other.
All right, nice answer. So, Janna, what do you think about this topic?
So, this topic, it's quite, it's similar with, we already know about the fasting, I mean, in Indonesia also especially, but we don't actually talk about just in Indonesia, but we talk about around the world, fasting in around the world, and Ramadan, and also how they do the fasting, and also maybe the sahur. So yeah, I think it's gonna be like interest topic to discuss for tonight. So yeah.
All right, thank you, Jana, for your answer. So, Fauzan, what do you think about this topic?
Okay, for the topic, it's very interesting to talk because as we know, this is a Ramadan month, which is all of the Muslims, Muslim people are celebrating it. I mean, they're fasting, their sahur, their iftar, and we know in Indonesia there's some what it's called. I mean, there's some apa ya, sesuatu yang identic with Indonesia, which is beduk, and we know at for the on Lebaran, there is some culinary that we have to know.
All right.
Yeah.
What are they? Can you mention one?
One of them is over.
You know how to make it?
I know a little.
But you
from my
haven't
mom.
made it your homemade.
I just help my mom for made that.
I see.
So which is I know a little
All right.
of it. Yes.
Oh, good. So, let's. I would like to know exactly how do you define fasting? Starts from Jannah. How do you define the fasting? What is fasting actually? That means to you.
So maybe fasting for me, like we actually hold our, how to say, like we don't have to, like we wait until start from the dawn until the dusk, like we don't eat something until the dusk, and also we don't drink anything, but also not just about the food, not just about the drinks. We actually also have the rules, like we don't have to be angry with someone. We have to be patient and all day. Like it's quite good for us to like being like hold our enthusiasm and also our like our behavior. Like we have to be good. Fix our characters, and also not just like being in a bad or good, but I think we can learn about fasting. So yeah, I think fasting is the good one.
Wow. So fasting doesn't only mean that we fast from food, but we also fast from within. So what do you think about that, Lina? What do you think about is fasting just about not eating and not drinking?
No, I think fasting is not just about how we handle our hunger and thirst, but also how we do fasting sincerely and be able to do the true love, I mean the true goal of the
True goal.
Ramadan. Yes, and basically I think when we do something sincerely, of course we will given convenience and blessing for our God, Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala.
Wow, nice answer, Lina. Thank you for that.
Yes.
So, what do you think about that too, Fauzan? I mean, isn't fasting means a lot to you? Does it mean a lot to you?
Yeah, sure. It's mean a lot. This fasting is, I mean, as we know, fasting is they control their how we call nafsu. Yeah, lust. Yeah,
Lust.
we control our lust from eat or angry, all of emotion that. But I just wanna divine the held by Muslim people, but there 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 are so many people that doing fast exactly at intermittent fasting. Do you guys know that intermittent fasting?
Intermittent fasting.
They good. They are so good for who wants to diet because they control their eat from his body. Yeah, they actually do that. I think.
Wow, I have just known about that. Thank you for informing us about it. Kak Rifki, what do you think about Fauzan's answer? Like fasting can also benefit for our bodies if we want to lose our fat or something like that. What do you think about that?
Yeah, from my mind is first from my brother side said like that. So the fasting can be reduced by your body, but not only that, for the lose for emotional for ourself to control how to you defend yourself about you in your, I mean it's sabar from what situation you get it one day. So if you work, you get it for emotional to take a breath and okay go on. You know, not only that we see for a few days Indonesia get a sun that's really hot and you find it from the street a takjil, you get it is oh my god, this is really fresh for me, but okay I will take defend myself and done to following my lodge. That's it.
Alright, thank you, Kak Rifki, for your answer. Wow, it's so interesting because, wait, can you guys tell me what Ramadan is this already? Is this the 6th or the 7th Ramadan or
Actually six.
sixth
Oh no
Ramadan?
no no! It's the night of seven.
It's
Yeah,
the night of
because,
7. Alright, so it's the 7th one.
Yeah, 7.
Okay, so we have been through 7 days of Ramadan. So I'd like to ask you, I mean, how are the challenges in Indonesia, in especially in Makassar? How is the how are the challenges that you face, maybe, Lina? How do you face with challenges after these 6 days?
Yeah, because I'm a student of the college. Of course, I have to go to the campus, and you know when we have to sahur, and then I'm not sleep well. Yeah,
Sleep
because
well.
after sahur I didn't sleep after because I have a class and 7:30.
So early.
Yeah, and then I have to go to the campus, and then I see a lot of food when the maghrib. When I come back from from the college, and I see there's a lot of food in the street. So I think I'm
get
very
thirsty.
hungry right now. Yeah, and this is very challenges. Yeah, that's for me.
I mean, have you like broke your fast unconsciously?
No.
No.
Alhamdulillah, no.
Alhamdulillah. Right. What about Jannah? Maybe you have broke your fast unconsciously because of your business, because of your being busy with your university, maybe.
To be honest, seems like Herlina before that I also have activities like in my campus that actually I have a morning class, I'm kind of like that, and it's kind of exhausting for me to be honest, but and also especially about the weather in Makassar, you know, it's totally hot, and I'm just like when I go to the campus and I just wait in the park like and be like, oh my goodness, this is so hot. I'm just like, oh, just be patient, like maybe just wait for 6 hours again after I break my fasting. So like I have to be patient. But to be honest, it's quite fun for me because you know, it just like maybe wait again, like I can be like know about the Ramadan, like I can celebrate the Ramadan and also about the fasting one like with the others one. But yeah, I think to be honest, I really have a lot of challenges for the fasting one, but I think that's fine for me because I already through the years by years about the fasting one. And so, to be honest, because as you know that I am a woman, so that's why, of course, I have break my fasting because some of the reasons. Yeah, to be honest, of course, I'm not gonna full to be fasting in Ramadan month, so that's why. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Jannah. Fauzan,
Yes.
you study at Hasanuddin University, right?
Yes, of course.
I
That's
mean,
true.
do you have the same kind of class that starts in the morning
Uh,
in this Ramadan?
in my experience, actually at this years, I'm not getting any kind of class that start in the morning. But yeah, for how I face
Challenges.
the challenging is for the first until third days, I feel nothing. It's just going fine.
So you get used to it.
Yeah, but after that, in 4th and 5th Ramadan, it's so challenging to me to I mean to control my. Do you know I'm a a guy of, you know,
What?
smoke
Oh,
cigarettes,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
I'm sorry, but yeah, it's so challenging for me because yeah, I'm a type of the heavy smoker. So I'm so,
Wow. So it's so challenging.
yeah, so
right?
challenging for me. Yeah, it's not good for me. It's not good for me to smoke, right? But in Ramadan, I should control the bad habits.
Maybe after Ramadan you'll be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I guess sure.
We'll see.
I
We'll
hope
see,
so. I
right?
hope so.
Okay, we'll
Yeah.
see how you will deal with it. So, Rifki, can you mention exactly one challenge maybe that is so hard for you to
Yeah,
get over in this Ramadan?
yeah. From me, this challenge for our Ramadan first until now. That is now I'm study in university, but now I work in Shopee Express.
Shopee.
Yeah, Shopee
Oh.
Express.
Shopee
You get
PT.
that is always bring by the packet. It's really big. So you get it from the customer. Said you calling, no answer. You coming up, no answer.
I see.
That is
It's so challenging.
I got it
So hard.
in the middle day. Come on. I want to scream. Come on, hurry up. But this is really hard for me. That is the challenge is really hard. And you know what? And not only that, but someday I'm joining Shopee. But someday I'm be a driver from the other city, like that from the night, from the afternoon until the morning. That's I'm driver in the from the other city. Like I mean, sopir daerah. I mean, yeah, gitu. So that is my part time for our Ramadan now. This is
Do you feel exhausted?
what?
Do you feel exhausted?
Your mic.
Do you feel exhausted?
Yes.
Because your work from I think more than
maybe?
Morning until
20
from the morning.
20 hours.
Until
Because
After pride, so we go our the GNT.
Yeah.
So we get packet and the delivery by the packet
Wow.
until the middle.
middle of the night. Yes.
The
Very
after
exhausting.
So hardworking. You are so inspiring. Okay, so we're talking about fasting in around the world, right? So, I'd like to know exactly. Can you guys explain about what makes it different from Indonesia to other countries when it's about fasting? Can you mention it, Fozan? I mean, what is the difference between Indonesia and other countries when they fast?
As I know, in I think in Turkey. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. The Turkey is always holding some kind of how to say that they make a group for to wait until iftar, and they are eat together.
Oh, so
Yeah.
they gather first.
How we say that activities that they're waiting for iftar, and after that they're eating together. It's so fun.
It would be so fun.
Yeah, it would be so fun because we're spending our time to our friend that we're spending a minute to a time to go iftar. Yeah,
So they gather around.
gather around and
Wait, so are they related? Are they friends? Or maybe there should be some characters that you should be around me. Maybe you have to be my friend to be around me or something like that.
yeah, I
Is
hope
it like
so.
that?
Yeah, in Turkey they not just I mean how you say, because they put all of the rice. I mean, so many rice.
Oh.
And the goat. I mean, how you say goat? Yeah, the meat. It's a sheep. They took one
One piece.
in the baki.
Oh.
Yeah.
In the flat.
I get
Yeah.
it. I get it.
So they can eat together.
Yeah, they eat together, and it's so fun for me.
Wow.
I think so.
Thank you for the
Yeah.
answer. So it's from Turkey, right?
Yeah, it's from Turkey.
Can you mention another country, maybe, Jannah? Do you know about it?
For me, like I think most of like Muslim country already like have celebrate the same like Indonesia, and also I think for me that I ever read before in Russia. Russia is also one of the country that they have the longest fasting, like maybe around like 16 hours to be honest, if I'm not mistaken, and also. They have like specific food for if they like celebrate the Ramadan. They eat a specific food. The name of the food is a bread black. It's like the bread, but it's I don't know. I think it's like traditional food, but yeah, they eat that food when they fasting. So I mean not fasting. I mean in sahur, and also like they have the kind of the food for it when they break their fasting. So yeah, I think also most of the countries like to be honest like not have a lot of like Muslim people, like they have a lot low Muslim people, like they didn't actually like cannot celebrate the Ramadan, the fasting one. It's quite hard to find the like the halal food, so it's quite hard for them to like celebrate the Ramadan, that finding the halal food there. And also I think, but most of time I specific I don't know, I saw on the media like especially in London, they make some kind of like not interior, like they celebrate about Ramadan. And I'm kind of like, well, it's amazing that they make the light in the road like in London. And I'm just like, wow, they make the Ramadan celebrate in London. And I just like, yeah, I think that's the good one for us to like, they already know about the Ramadan, celebrate the Ramadan. So yeah, I think that's so fun.
Wow, I have just known about London. Yeah, so they put lights on.
Yeah,
to
like,
celebrate
but
Ramadan?
I forgot the specific place. But
Yeah.
I already saw that they like it seems like Indonesia, that everywhere we can see the beautiful light, right, when the night comes. And I just like remember that, wow, they already got this in London. And I'm just like, oh, amazing that in London they already celebrate the Ramadan. But I forgot the specific place. But yeah, I mean in London, but I don't really know the specific place. But yeah, I ever saw that before.
Wow. So what about Lina? Can you mention another kind of country that's celebrate Ramadan, maybe how they celebrate it, maybe other
Yeah.
than Russia and Turkey?
Yes, as I know, in India there is a what is it, tradition in Ramadan. They this tradition is carried out when during the Ramadan. This tradition begins with the people walk around in the city, and while waiting for dawn, they walk in the city and walk together. As we might know, in Indonesia, we don't have a tradition like that. We just after sahur, we just stay at home and then wait for dawn. While maybe we eat some snack or drink something in like milk or coffee. But they celebrate the Ramadan with they walk around the city. So that is how they wait for dawn.
So it's like their ngabuburit style. Oh,
Maybe ngabuburit, but this the beginning. Ngabuburit is when we wait for iftar.
iftar.
But,
Oh, so
ah.
before.
Yes.
I
The
see.
activities before Imsak.
Yes.
Yes. Ah.
They really walk around the city,
Yes.
or just
Around
like,
the city in the environment.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you. Do you wanna explain more about it?
But
No,
can I ask something?
Yes, sure. You can.
Yeah, in Indonesia, I think we all of know that after we how to say, maybe after we praying middle night, how Lail pray.
Like,
Yeah, the kids are going to discover the environment and how to say,
People up.
waking up the people to sahur, right? They say sahur, right?
sahur.
I think there's
think
some
so.
tradition in Indonesia actually like that.
But isn't that reduced? I mean, does it still happen in your neighborhood? Maybe?
I guess not.
No.
Nah.
What about in your neighborhood? Any of your neighborhood?
Yeah.
When it's
the
coming.
teenagers, that they already like wake up as like sahur, some kind of like that. And also they use like how to say, like the microphone in a mosque, like they use it for sahur, and after that, yeah, my brother starts to wake up me like yeah, it's too loud for me, and I can hear that, and of course I'll be awake for that one because it's crowded. I mean, and around my home, so yeah, you know.
So what about Lina? In your neighborhood, does it still happen that some kind of tradition?
Yeah, I'm sorry, but because I forgot about it. Yes.
That's okay.
No,
You should
I
you
just
should
sleep.
waking them.
I just sleep like 3 hours, and then I wake up. I think when when I was cook in the kitchen, and then I heard about that noise. Wah, sahur, sahur. But they not use the microphone, but they have a tools like yes.
They use
galon,
traditional drum.
Sahur, yes. They use
Alternative
traditional
drum.
drum. So that's it.
Wow. So Kak Rifki maybe.
What?
Can you mention a tradition that is held by another country?
Actually, I never see from the other country what the habit for Ramadan, but Indonesia, I know all the thing. You know the specific one. What is if you're the underage, then like to come home. Jangan pulang terlalu lama. That's right.
Oh.
Yeah, but Ramadan, you get it until subuh. Your mother, your father will not calling you because that this will be you join our the wake up the people from the sahur. That is that's my son. Okay, I find it. But not only that, but you are the student in university. You can be the the food vendor. Yeah.
That'd be great.
That is the habit for the Ramadan. All the people can be the seller, our vendor food.
Yeah, isn't that interesting, you guys? Yeah.
Yes, of course it is.
Yeah.
So, in your maybe where do you live at, Kak Rifki?
Rapokaling.
Rapokaling. In Rapokaling, is there like a tradition when it comes to sahur, like maybe as they have talked before, does it still happen in your neighborhood, that tradition?
No, I'm not following that, but the tradition for my district, that is only that for our neighbor have child under 8 not coming home, not back to home, that it will be not calling your son until the sahur.
Okay.
Like you I mean like now in Ramadan you can lose your son and will be back over the morning. That it will be a really safe day, not not find the other crime in outside, because all the people will be control ourselves to be
Yes.
honest, to be holy,
Yeah.
progress to be holy, and
Spirituality.
get our the last day is get finished our the who is the winner.
Wow. Interesting.
I mean the winner of yourself.
The winner is ourselves. Because we have talked about the challenges and how fasting in all around the world. I mean, I just want to ask this question: who do you spend this Ramadan with, Jannah? Yeah, in these 7 days.
To be honest, because I live with my cousin, I have 2 brothers there, and also we are at the same home. And it's actually, you know, it's been twice for me to not celebrate the Ramadan with my parents, because my parents are in Papua, so it's quite sad for me. Like, you know, it's been 2 years since I come to Makassar. I didn't celebrate with my parents, but yeah, you know, I do. Like, I celebrate my Ramadan with my family also in Makassar, like my cousin and also my friends that actually, you know, and also in BPC, we actually have an activity in BPC.
Wow.
So Yeah, I also like quite like my activity in my campus, my activity in at home, and also in BPEC. It's for me. It's challenging for me. Like in fasting, but I have to do like some of kind of the activity. But yeah, as we can see that with who we celebrate the fasting, but it doesn't really important for us to celebrate the Ramadan with who, but how to celebrate the Ramadan for us to like have a good a month of Ramadan, like have a good how to say the good goals for the full of the Ramadan. So yeah, thank you.
Wow. So Karifki, back to you again.
Okay.
Who do you spend this Ramadan with?
With you.
Oh,
I spent Ramadan
I'm
here.
sorry.
With you all here. In
Actually,
my home.
today.
Today.
Yeah. We are spending our Ramadan together.
Okay.
It's Smart
Yeah.
FM.
So I spend my Ramadan this with my family, with my mom and my daddy. I don't have brother or sister because I'm alone.
Oh, the only one child.
Yeah, because that I always working all the day. Because that I'm not coming for the lovely Sunday, but sometime I will coming.
Sure, you have to come sometime.
But no, for me, that is I spend for all the people for Muslim. That is my parent, because that you got it something that is make you happiness. The next level of happiness in the afternoon, that is you find takjil free.
Takjil for
You
free.
get it, just say, oh, thank you. And for you turn left, you get it again. It's really
How
this
amazing
my,
is that?
this my lucky. I get it.
No, the power of Ramadan, I guess.
The power of Ramadan, this will be make you power up again. Okay, okay, I will looking again. After that, you bring your home and really happiness for to eat our fasting. That is.
Yeah, how happy is that? You have been working so hard all day,
That-
all week, and then you get that. Wow, how
That is
amazing!
I mean that is a little something like little thing for our people, but this is really big thing on me, because what that is someone make a good thing or us and get for the I mean pahala is it meaning
What?
pahala in English
Reward.
reward for our God for the last in akhirat.
Of
Yeah.
course.
So we get make to happiness and make big reward our the brother who give you a takjil free.
So how do you respond to that? How do you, give feedback for those who
Give
give
you
you?
this say thank you. And
Say thank you.
she said just say thank you, and you get it this in motorcycle you drive it, you get a big smile and that's really happy.
I have a question. Like, where
What?
exactly, like, you get the takjil free? Yeah,
Yeah,
maybe we can.
I want to go there.
We want to
Like,
go there.
get
As
the
well.
free of takjil.
Yeah, if you live on the road, you will know what the where the point of the street apa itu membagi saya pada takjil. That's you must to go there. Yes.
So it's just randomly.
Okay, I will tell a little bit where you can get it. Free takjil. This is Uri Sumarjo.
Because you mentioned it, I saw in the street before I came here.
Yeah.
In the street, and
Where was it?
I don't exactly where it was, because I don't know the name of the road here. So I just saw it in the street and I feel how to say iri.
Jealous.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
feel
I feel
jealous.
jealous about him, and I come close to them. I hope they can give me too,
Yeah.
but they just pass me. Oh my God! Just
Something
That's so
like-
hard.
something like, oh, why not me? Why not
Why
me?
not me?
You didn't see me?
It is because I'm a student or I'm not a worker.
Maybe you look
Your style, yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Your look is so good.
No, I smiled on them.
You smile,
Yes.
but they didn't give you.
But they didn't give me, so it's so.
You get the free takjil.
Yeah, if you want to get the free takjil, just
Wait.
don't take a bet on the middle day. So get you face like a tired people
Wow.
and you must come closer by who is desire by the takjil and just drive slowly and stand by your hand to take it and thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the tips.
Yeah, you should apply that next time.
Yes.
So Janna, what about you? I mean, how do you respond to that? I mean, when people, I mean, do you think you are the giver or you're the one who received kindness? Do you think yourself is like that?
To be honest, for this Ramadan, I never get the free takjil because, maybe I never saw that when I go to, start from my campus and also at my home. So I never get that things. But to be honest, yeah, I ever had experience about that before. I received the takjil like from someone. Like they give like how to say like nasi kotak, and I think it's quite good for me. Like, oh my god, this is a good thing for me. I don't buy anything again. I don't have to like think about what kind of food should I eat after this. So I can get the food like from someone that actually have a big heart. Yeah, I'm actually grateful for that. Someone when they give us about the free takjil and also the nasi kotak. I think the nasi kotak is the good one. Like we actually don't think about what should we eat after this. So yeah,
Well, you mentioned someone. I mean, is it someone special or something?
No, I mean in the street, like when
okay.
in Makassar. To be honest, I had an experience before. So yeah, no, someone special. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it could be.
Maybe my family also.
Okay. Alright. So, Fauzan, how do you explain your Ramadan for these 6 days? How can you tell us?
Okay.
Yeah, everything about this Ramadan to you. I mean, how do you spend it? I mean, do you have any goals for this Ramadan?
Yeah, my goals is I have to pray Tarwi at mosque 30 days in a row, but sadly it's I can't go now because I think
maybe we can go
Yeah,
together.
it's late.
Oh,
Is it late?
Is
Is it
it
late?
still have time
Yeah.
for that?
Next time, but
I think we
I mean, you not get the full for Tarawih
Okay, it's so sad for me.
because that's Isa following by Tarawih.
Yeah,
That's a good thing.
yeah, but that's the bad news for me because I wanna go Tarawih,
Mashallah.
mashallah,
The
on a
intention-
mosque 30 days in a row. But yeah, sadly I can't. But the other goals is how I can pray Laylatul Qadar. I mean the last 10 days of Ramadan that I have to go how to say itikaf.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
it's so
For the last
interesting
10.
to us to do that activities because
Have you done it last year?
yeah, I do, but sadly I just came. I just doing that activities just for 5 days, and the good things is when the last 10 days is you have come at mosque or doing a lot of good thing at how to say ganjil. Yeah. Huh? I mean ganjil for ganjil days. It's so good because on Muslims we are believed that so many rewards from God they gave to us after we doing some activities on that days. Yeah,
It's multiplied.
yeah.
Yeah. So Lina, because we're getting into our last session here, so can you tell the smart listeners out there? I mean, maybe you can teach us some vocabulary in fasting or in Ramadan that is useful to use when we speak English. Do you have any of them? Or maybe you have motivational quotes, motivational words to the smart listeners out there who are fasting.
Actually, I don't really have about the motivation or the quotes, but I hope you are always in the good condition, so we can meet again next time here. And happy fasting, everyone.
Amin.
I
Allahumma
mean,
amin.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean,
Is that all?
Yes, that's all for me.
Okay, Jannah, it's your time to explain to us some vocabulary or some motivational quotes to the smart listeners, maybe.
Yeah, it's been the Ramadan I'll be waiting is to celebrate the Eid Mubarak. I'm also waiting for that. So I hope guys you will be stay healthy until the Eid Mubarak, so we can celebrate our Eid Mubarak together, and also we can actually also meet again. So and about the vocabulary, maybe behavior like tingkah laku. We have to fix our tingkah laku in this month. So I would say that behavior it's also important in this month. So yeah.
Good. Fauzan,
yes.
do you have any word about it?
Any vocabulary?
Yes.
Okay, vocabulary. As we know, after Ramadan, how we say Lebaran, the Eid Mubarak, there's some kind of activities. I think that's a tradition for us. That is pilgrimage. Do you know pilgrimage? It's ziarah kubur. Which is ziarah
yes,
kubur.
yes.
Yeah, we got that. I think that's a tradition for us to to remember the past of our lovely family or our lovely friends. And last is forgiving each other. I think you know that it called by halal bihalal. Yeah,
Be halal.
that's the activities for us to forgiving each other. And do you know what's the meaning of? I mean, what's the English of kurma?
Dates. Not
Dates?
dates?
Yeah, that is the
Dates.
date. DATE.
Yeah.
I think. What is date? I think date is tanggal, right?
Yeah, it could be also romantic relationship. Maybe.
Yeah.
You someone
Yeah,
would
yeah,
say,
yeah.
"Would you go on a date with
Yes,
me?"
yes.
and something like that. But
Mm.
date can also mean
Kurma.
kurma. Okay, thank you for the vocabulary.
Okay,
Fauzan.
no problem.
Karifki, maybe.
Yeah, I have something sentence and coach for all the people smart listener tonight. That is, if you're fasting, don't go outside for the middle day because that is make you thirsty.
That's all.
That's all.
Okay. I'd like to check our enthusiasm, BPEC.
Wow,
bright and breezy.
So guys, thank you for watching us. Thank you for caring about us. I mean, BPEC here are just so amazing to talk about this topic tonight, fasting in around the world. So keep updates with us, maybe on Instagram, or maybe if you want to join with us, you can comment down below on Smartfm Makassar YouTube channel. You can comment down if you want to join with us, and also you can even go into the Instagram at Smartfm Makassar, and also at BPC Makassar if you want to join with us. And we'd like to see you again next Tuesday night, and absolutely, it's always the same thing. We are going to be with BPEC Makassar. So thank you guys for listening, and happy fasting. And from BPEC Makassar, we'd like to say happy fasting Ramadan.
Happy fasting.
Yeah, and yep. Bye bye. See you again. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you.